Hello everyone, my name is Ishika Jain and I am from class 8th from Shishu Bharati Vidyalay number 2 Gandhinagar. So here I am presenting my presentation on uses of arithmetic in our daily lives. So before presenting my presentation I want to say कि वैदिक मैथ्स के 25 साल पूरे हो गए हैं, उसके उपलक्ष्य में बहुत सारी गतिविधियां कराई जाती हैं, जैसे कि पोस्टर मेकिंग, रंगोली बनाने की कंपटीशन एंड पेपर रीडिंग। सो ये बहुत अच्छी चीज़ है और इसको हम ऐसे सेलिब्रेट करते हैं। तो आपको पता ही है वैदिक मैथ्स कितनी रोमांचक है। तो मैथमेटिक्स अराउंड अस, मैथमेटिक्स एक्सप्रेसेस इटसेल्फ एवरीवेयर इन ऑलमोस्ट एवरी फेसेट ऑफ लाइफ इन नेचर ऑल अराउंड अस। आपने देखा होगा कि जो मैथमेटिक्स है वो छोटी छोटी चीज़ों में भी हमारे साथ होती है, कहीं ना कहीं वो एक बहुत बड़ा रोल अदा करती है। और मैथमेटिक्स एक्सप्रेसेस इटसेल्फ एवरीवेयर, इस लाइन का सबसे अच्छा मीनिंग है कि मैथमेटिक्स जो हमारी लाइफ में हर जगह है। सो एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ अरिथमेटिक हम डिस्कस करेंगे। The real life example of arithmetic sequence, the chess is a real life example. Chess एक बहुत अच्छा example है arithmetic का, because when the horse moves it goes by 3, so it's increased with a common ratio. आपने देखा होगा घोड़ा जो है 2.5 कदम चलता है, but the difference is that she divide. तो चेस एक बहुत अच्छा एग्जाम्पल, और आपने चेस खेला भी होगा और वो बहुत अच्छा गेम है। तो नेक्स्ट वन इज़ द ट्रेन। तो जैसे कि ट्रेन भी एक हमारा एग्जाम्पल है, कैलकुलेशन के हिसाब से भी ट्रेन हमारा एक एग्जाम्पल है, बिकॉज आपने देखा होगा स्पीड के ऊपर भी डिपेंड करता है, पैसेंजर्स के ऊपर भी डिपेंड करता है। आपने वर्ड प्रॉब्लम बहुत सारे करे होंगे। एंड द नेक्स्ट वन इज़ प्राइमरी स्कूल। जैसे कि हमारे पास होता है बॉयज़ गर्ल्स इतने होते हैं, तो ये भी एक हमारा एग्जाम्पल हुआ। एंड द कार, जैसे स्पीड के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है, ऐसे द राइटर रोड 890 वर्ड्स, तो उसने कितने लिखे होंगे, उसकी रेशो बताइए। ऐसे करके हमारे पास बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस आते हैं, व्हाट प्रॉब्लम्स आते हैं जो हमने करे भी होंगे। एंड द नेक्स्ट वन इज़ जॉगिंग आफ्टर नी सर्जरी, ऐसे करके कि ये भी हमारी स्पीड पे डिपेंड करता है, वो इतना घंटा चला तो वो कितने घंटे चला होगा। एंड ऑडिटोरियम, इसमें 20 सीट्स हैं तो उसमें 24 सीट्स हैं, तो कैसे हम सॉल्व करेंगे। हमें 2 चीट दे रखी होती है तो एक हमें निकालनी होती है, तो ऐसे करके हमें वर्ड प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करते हैं। तो ये कुछ हमारे अरिथमेटिक एग्जांपल्स हैं। थैंक यू एवरीवन।
Good morning everyone. My name is Khushi Verma and I am from class 8 from Shishu Bharati Vidyalay Gandhinagar. And today I am presenting my presentation which is based on uses of arithmetic in our daily life. So let's get started. Why arithmetic is important? What is the important role of arithmetic in our daily life? First, arithmetic means maths. Maths help us have better problem solving skills. Math help us think analytically and have better reasoning ability. Critically about the world around us, arithmetic is important because they help solve problems and look for solutions. Mathematics makes our life simpler and ordinary. Math helps us understand the world and we use the world to understand maths. Math is a powerful tool for global understanding and communication. Next. Here is the real life example of arithmetic sequence. We always play chess in our daily life. So, the chess is a real life example of arithmetic sequence because when the horse moves it goes by 3, so it increased with the common ratio. The same thing happens when it goes back out, but the only difference is that you divide. So it is the real life example of arithmetic sequence. Next, why are numbers important in arithmetic? Numbers play an important role in arithmetic. Math is all about numbers only. The day we were born, there are numerous numbers directly or indirectly connected to our life. The following areas some uses of numbers in our daily life. Calling of a family or a friend using mobile phone. It contains numbers. Calculating your daily budget for your food and transportation and other expenses. It also contains numbers. So arithmetic contains numbers. Next, where are arithmetic used? In every and each place arithmetic is used, but here are some common uses where arithmetic used. So let's see the examples. First, it is used in markets. Second, it is used by shopkeepers. Third, it is used by goldsmith, blacksmith, and etc. Fifth, it is used for finance, and it is used in cooking. Next. So here are following chapters that we will use in our life. Fraction, symmetry, measurement, geometry, probability, problem solving, and many more are there. How measurement is used in our daily life? Measurement is one of the important chapters that we will use in our daily life. For example, measurement is used in cooking. During medical checkup, it is used. For example, thermometer. So, this is the uses of measurement in our daily life. How probability is used in our daily life? So, let's see. Possible outcome. The result of a random experiment is called an outcome. Tossing a coin and getting a head or tail is an outcome. Throwing a dice and getting a number between 1 to 6 is also an outcome. For example, weather. Weather can be sunny or rainy, so it depends upon probability. Next, how geometry is used in our daily life. Nature. The most important example of geometry in everyday life is formed by the nature surrounding humans. Technology. The most common example of geometry in everyday life is technology. Homes, architecture, art, sports, designing, computer-aided design, everything has a shape. So, geometry plays an important role. How symmetry is used in our daily life. Here are some examples of symmetry used in our daily life. Reflection of tree in clear water and reflection of mountain in a lake. Wings of most butterflies are identically on the left and right side. Some human faces are the same on the left and right side. So this is called symmetry. Now, how fraction is used in our daily life? We always use fraction in our daily life. Fraction is one of the important chapter that we use. So as you can see this picture, in this picture there are 4 apples. First one is whole apple, second one is 1 by 2, third one is 1 by 3, and fourth one is 1 by 4. So simply meaning of fraction is divide. Next. So here are aims of teaching mathematics, like how to teach mathematics. There are social value, cultural value, discipline, practical use. Discipline is one of the important word that we use in mathematics. Practical use, we have to do practical so we can easily understand maths. Thank you for watching.